Hey loves, in this video I will be showing you how to create this look that I am wearing right now. It's a really nice orangey coppery fall color and I really like it, and also some of you guys actually requested it, so it's here. And I actually used this palette right here, and I'll open it so you guys can see the colors. It's beautiful. Looks like this. These colors are so pretty, and I used these three right here. And I was actually very impressed with the pigmentation of this palette because it's actually from the dollar store, and you guys see the colors, like the colors are so bright, so vivid, they're just so pigmented. I was very impressed, but I'm really happy with how this look came out. Really hope you guys enjoy, and if you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Now let's get started. So I'm starting off with a primer and putting it all over my lids. I know it looked kind of crazy. And just blending it in with my beauty blender. This just prevents creasing, and it's supposed to make my eyeshadow last a little bit longer. I'm taking this angled brush and taking the color Flame and putting it above my crease. Next, I'm taking this fluffy brush with no makeup on it to just blend out the eyeshadow so I don't have any harsh edges. Now I'm taking this eyeshadow brush and taking the color Voyage to put all over my crease on the outer corner and inner corner to darken up the look, and using it as a transition shade. Now I'm taking my pinky and using the color First Class and putting it on the center of my lid. Using the same color that I used on my crease, I'm putting it on my lower lash line, and I know on this side it looks kind of crazy. I did a little too much, but don't worry, in the next clip it will be fixed. Now I'm taking an eyelash curler and two mascaras, one for length and one for volume. And I just think they're the perfect combination. They make my lashes look super long and full. Now taking this blush and highlight duo, I'm using the highlight and putting it on my inner corner and brow bone to brighten up my eye and just add a little bit of sparkle. And now I'm just taking a setting spray to set all of my makeup and make sure it lasts longer. And since I didn't know what lip color to use, I just used this Baby Lips chapstick, and that's it. And this is the final look. I'm very happy with how it came out. I just love the bright colors, and it's just something different. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you recreate this look, please send me pictures or message me. I want to see it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you will be notified of when I upload new videos. Bye, loves.